Chris.
Yes.
Take a deep breath before you come in here.
Okay.
You've already seen that this is a Tuscany villa in the heart of Monroe County, North Macon. Come on in.
Okay.
This door is kind of heavy. The quality of this house is unsurpassable to anything you've seen. Heart pine floors throughout, limestone. Look up. Look all the way up.
Yes.
Don't fall. Oh my God.
I got it.
Just looking through the camera lens, that just is amazing. Now walk through here.
Okay.
That's the dining room, of course. Here's the study. It's this fabulous wood, and it's got little secret panels throughout this room. I'm not going to show you right now because we're on camera, but if you buy it, I'll show you. And then check in here. This house was custom built by the owners. It is built in 2003 in North Riverly Farms. It's so priced so amazingly that it's unbelievable. We're on close to 12 acres. It's very private. You actually do feel like you're in Italy, Tuscany. Chris, there's a wine cellar. It might be too dark for you to see it. Okay. And you can't drink any of the wine. No. All right, but look, come on back here. You just step right back here. This way is the master. Everything's huge. There is not one thing that's lacking in this house. Not one thing. I dare you to show me what it is. Call me. Call JoJo quick. It's going to go quick, but here we go. It might go before you get this edited. Look at this. Top of the line, 1,000%. You've got a baker's pantry. Every high-end thing. Look at the ceilings in here also. Look at the beams. See how they carried the beams all the way above the windows? You don't see that. You just don't see anything like this ever. And it's all brand new, but gives you the feel of old country world. You're gonna love it. It's beautiful. 100 Phil Springs Court, by the way. Close to a little over 8,000 square feet. Your own private wine cellar. Top of the line gourmet kitchen. Gorgeous study, gorgeous playrooms. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms. The floor plan is like no other. It's absolutely perfect. So I'm getting really serious here because this is an incredible house. You're gonna love it. And like I said, it'd make a good Valentine's present, but you better hurry really quick, boys. All right, thanks for watching, and give me a call, 478-731-1302.